Cheers. A recent conversation with an emerging leader from a very known company told me that he likes to start projects from the scratch. He loves taking risks. He loves taking challenges not only on himself but also for the team. And he is a self starter, self motivator. And today he's leading a team and he's trying to get a successful project out. Three things that is coming up for him as blockers. The first things first is his vision doesn't match his team's mission or team's vision. His aspirations are not aligned to the team's attitude. And the third insight which came up from this conversation was, although he aspires to get a product on and he wants to launch it by this quarter, his team seems to behave otherwise. There are dysfunctions in the team and they are basically challenging not only him but also the whole process, and they don't seem to be motivated. Ever felt this way? Are you grappling with certain traits which are common to what I just called out? Yeah, so most of you may be going through this. If you are that risk taker who likes to work on new things, just think about, have you ever empathized with your team members to see what is it that they are feeling, thinking, doing and saying with respect to whatever you want to achieve? Although it may be a very good intention, are they aligned to what you want or what they want? Second of all, if you are on the other side, an employee, and your leader is demonstrating these traits, have you ever thought about asking them, how could it add value to you? What's in it for you? And what is it that you will get at the end of this whole project? And what is motivating you? Have you gone and had that confrontation or conversation? If not, then your strategy, your company's strategy is incongruent, because what you think you want to achieve and what your team wants to achieve is not in sync, and what you are trying to vision is not being understood the way you see it by your teams. You think such a strategy is going to lead into execution and the way you envisioned it to become a reality? Think about it. Maybe you're thinking that one fine day it will match your objectives or aspirations and it will launch the way you saw it. No way. So come back to reality, leaders. If you are feeling that your vision is your agenda, it's your team's agenda, and you need to ensure that you articulate it, and you need to ensure that you are walking the talk, that is leading the team and translating that to make it a reality and being with them from the start to the end. And that's what a successful team brings to the table. Whether it's a product, it's a service, or whatever it is. These are some of the successful traits of a leader and an entrepreneur. Thank you for watching and have a brilliant day ahead. Thank you.